This is the Meyer property after renovation video. And I'll walk you through what we've done. All right, full paint. It's a large house, about 3,800 square feet. So it took a while, but we've got full paint, warm putty on the walls, white on the trim. New carpet throughout, new blinds throughout. Not anything in here. Didn't have to change anything there. Master, new blinds, new carpet. Master, new flooring. New faucets to match the knobs. And just a cleanup here. And then in the kitchen. All right. So the kitchen, you can see the fluorescent light there needs a ballast apparently, or just to replace it, blinking a little bit. So you can see we did new paint, new countertops. We took out the bread box, finished out the tile, installed new faucets, garbage disposal. And the swimming pool looks great. There might be a leak, so we're gonna do a leak detection on it. That had a boxed in entertainment type area, so we removed it to update. We added new carpet. And we took out that green marble, put in a granite slab and stone. And it ties right into the rest of the color scheme very nicely. And then in the bedrooms, new carpet, paint, and blinds. In this bathroom, new vanity, new faucets, full paint, and here we have just carpet, blinds, paint, and then in the bathroom, new vanity, faucets, and paint. And I think it turned out great. Definitely modernized, tied all the colors in, got rid of a lot of that emerald green.